How to do a nasty cut with low budget material, part 1. First off, we take a piece of paper and put it on our hands and then wet it down. And now what I'm doing here is I just pick up like part of the sides and then fold it over to create where I'm going to put the cut. Now I'm going to put another piece of paper onto the cut so that I can wet it down again, but I also use the little side pieces to create more buildup. Now what I'm doing here is I take a brush and I create little ridges, so when I'm putting the blood in, I can put some brown and black in the little ridges to create depth. And here I'm just rubbing off the sides so that it fades off more naturally and looks more like skin. I also use some excess to build up the little gap we made. Now we're finally to the fun part where we put red eyeshadow into the gap. I usually use my finger to tap it in because when I use my brush it doesn't look as pigmented. I also put it on the excess toilet paper because it looks more like flesh and blood on the outside. Now I'm putting some brown into the little ridges we made earlier to create depth. Now I'm going to tap some brown into the cut and also some on the